Hi fellows, Ben back again. So took the bike yesterday and things went well. It's a fantastic motorcycle. Nice riding around. Came back home and yeah, start on the mods already. This video is going to be about a pre-delivery inspection of sorts, which you guys can all perform. There's absolutely no need to be worked up about this. But then again, this is important that you just spend some 2 to 3 minutes to just look into these things. So these are some touch points that I have looked into, and all seemed well. So I took the bike, and I think that's all there is to it. There's not anything more that you can do when you are taking the delivery of a motorcycle. Of course, you can let go of your hands and then try and balance the bike and all that. But then, yeah, even if the wheel is offset by a few millimeters, 1 or 2 or 3 millimeters, even if the tires are, skewed and things like that, yeah, the bike will slowly tend to lean to one side. All that can be fixed at a later stage, maybe the first service. Saying no to the bike while you take the delivery of the motorcycle because of these minor flaws is not something that I would recommend. Is because you're not going to get your bike all healthy. Then you're not going to be feeling good about it. So what I would suggest is take the motorcycle, roam around with it for about until the first service, 500 kilometers, and then take your bike to the service station. That way, you know that you felt the beautiful machine, you felt the brand new motorcycle, and then then of course you can get things fixed. But on day one, saying no to the machine because of these minor flaws, I don't think it makes sense. Yeah, so the machine goes through rigorous QC, and then it goes through some test ride as well, and that should be more than enough for rolling it out of the showroom. So that should help. Yeah, so this video is about a quick pre-delivery inspection. Just go through these points. When you are going to collect your motorcycle, use this video as a reference and just look into these points. If all's well, it ends well, or it begins well. Yeah, so long list of mods headed your way. And going forward, if this is going to be interesting, if you work along with me, if you watch these videos, again there's going to be a maintenance playlist 450. So if you watch these videos and you take care of your 450s, your 450s will last for as long as you want it to last, in top condition. So yeah, hopefully this video should help. Ciao. Hi, so that's unga peru Jagan. Mr. Jagan, the showroom manager of Legend Motors Krompet, and that's the beauty. That's Arun's wife Raji and Arun's daughter Isha. Isha, say hi. Well, that's my gang, a small gang, and that's the beauty that I'm taking home today. This is just like a pre-delivery check of sorts, a quick video on what to look at and what not to look at. From the tires, you can gather whether these bikes have been ridden for a longer distance or not. Well, these tires look almost brand new, unused, is because you see the lines there. The lines haven't faded. And what else can I check? What you can check for is, if the engine has been ridden or not ridden, there would be a little bit of a post-ride makeover, makeup that these guys would do if they have ridden the bike for a distance, which they haven't. They haven't done anything. So in the Vandi Vote, they haven't taken this. They haven't moved it at all. So that's a good sign. So the running in starts from the first kilometer. I'm going to do that. And the oil level is intact, spot on. That's another thing that you need to look for. Bash plates, nothing vibrates, nothing loose. Tank guards, nothing vibrates, nothing loose. Nothing vibrates. Plastic guard. There will obviously be a little bit of a vibration, but that's all right. It's a plastic guard. You can't get rid of that. Nothing loose here. These things take a beating when they are in the truck. They move, they budge a little when they are in the truck. No problems there. Move the wheels and see if they move freely. Arun, move the wheels and see if they move freely. Press it. Press it. I front wheel karakki nokkanam. So if the wheels move freely, then you know that that looks balanced to me. That's not a wheel I would like to touch for some time. There is a little bit of a 2mm offset, but that's to be expected in any spokes wheel. That's all right. Moves freely. That's good. Well, that's the quick pre-inspection, pre-delivery inspection that you can conduct. Any scratches anywhere could also hint at transportation injury, and nothing more than that. These people haven't moved it. The bikes are registered. Both of ours, both motorcycles have been registered, and the number plate alone is how long, sir, should I wait for the number plate?
2 days, sir.
2 days. 2 days, and I get the number plates. It should be riveted, not the old style screwing things in place. You'll have to figure out a way to rivet it, or I'll get the bike here and get it done. And that's that. Clutch lever free place a little bit, but then the beauty is all I need to do is just adjust it there. Brakes look good. None, not even touch. This motorcycle hasn't budged. It's been here. So that's fantastic, isn't it? Good news. That's the pre-delivery inspection that you guys also need to conduct. A big shout out to Legend Motors, Tambram. This is in Krompet, Tambram, and took about three months for the motorcycle to get delivered, but it's a factory delay, not the delay from the dealership. This is across India. Everybody has experienced the same delay, and so no complaints here. We'll look forward to meeting Mr. Jagan during the first service. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
See you guys. I'll catch up with you on the next one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao. Rally some guard. Cool looking. Don't really know how good it's going to take on the rocks, but that's for another day. For now, it looks cool. Looks like it's very well designed, very well thought of, put together very well. I'll be installing this on my motorcycle, so that's a video for another day again. But for now, that's Arun's bike, and there is my motorcycle. We're going to be naming the bikes in some time, so we'll connect then.